Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what are the comparison operators in Python and how we can use them with some simple exercise. So without further ado, let's get into it. Comparison operators compares the value on either side of them and decides the relation among them. They are also called as relational operators. So in this example, let's consider if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10, then the first operator, which is equal to operator. So as the a is not equal to b, then this will not be true. The equal to operator condition becomes true when the values of two operands are equal. The second operator, which is not equal to operator. So if the values of two operands is not equal, then the condition becomes true. So in this case, a is not equal to b, so this condition will be true. The next operator, which is similar to the not equal to operator, the next operator is greater than operator. So if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand, then the condition becomes true. So in this case, a is greater than b is not true. The next operator is the less than operator. If the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand, then the condition becomes true. So in this case, a is less than b, so this condition becomes true. The next operator is greater than or equal to operator. If the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand, then the condition becomes true. The last but not least, the less than or equal to operator. If the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand, then this condition becomes true. Now let me show you how to use the comparison operators with some simple exercise. So this is the Python command line, and in this exercise we are going to use the if-else statement. We are going to see what is if-else statement in our upcoming tutorial. But let me tell you the basic definition. So decision making is required when we want to execute a code only if a certain condition is satisfied. The if-else statement is used in Python for decision making. So when the program evaluates some expression and will execute statements only if the expression is true. We will see this topic further in detail in our upcoming video. For this example, we will first assign two variables with a integer value. So for this, a equal to, which is a assignment operator, 10, and b equal to 20. For the first example, we will see how to use the equal to operator in the if-else condition. So just type the if condition, if in bracket a is equal to b, and now we have to give the colon, press the enter, use the print command, then we will print a is equal to b, else print a is not equal to b. So this is the simple if-else statement where we use the equal to operator. So if the a is equals to b, then this print condition will execute, which prints a is equal to b, or else it will print the a is not equal to b. So in this case, we have assigned 10 value to the a and 20 to the b. So definitely the else statement will execute. So for execute this, just press enter. As you can see the result, a is not equal to b. Similarly, we can use the same code for the not equal to operator. So in this case, we have used the not equal to operator in the similar if-else statement. So when the a is not equal to b, then it will print the a is not equal to b message, else it will print a is equal to b. So in this case, the if statement is going to trigger. So for this, just press the enter. As you can see, a is not equal to b. In this next example, we have used the less than operator in the if-else statement. So in this case, if A is less than B, then it will print the message A is less than B, else it will print the A is greater than B. Just hit the enter. As you can see, A is less than B, as A value is less than B value. Similarly, we can use the greater than operator. So in this case, we have used if-else statement, and if the A is greater than B, then it will print the same message, else it will print the A is less than B. So the output of this if-else statement will be similar, as we have not changed the values of A and B. Similarly, we can use the greater than or equal to and less than and equal to operator with the if-else statement. I hope you got the clear understanding what are the comparison operators in Python and how we are using them in this exercise. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell for the upcoming Python videos.